So the next step is to get together in your teams, probably initially for an hour, to create a statement that we call a winning aspiration that we've borrowed from Harvard strategy expert Roger Martin. What we've found by running strategy sessions, workshop sessions with leadership teams is this idea of winning is incredibly powerful, and in many ways it doesn't have the kind of same overhead as mission and vision statements. It's also one statement as opposed to many, and it forces us to consider not just what winning looks like, but what we are trying to win. Kind of the rules for creating it are, it needs to be energizing, it needs a level of specificity, and it needs measurability. So if we look at Zochari's winning aspiration, which is to create a strategic planning and execution system that's easy to follow and use, that every business can unlock their true potential. So we can measure whether something's easy to follow. We can see the number of people who've completed the process that we laid out, the number of people that are using our software, the frequency of that use, etc. And we can also check, because of KPIs, that growth and actually growth rate is happening as well. And we can also do qualitative work after the event. So it's a measurable winning aspiration. It certainly energizes us, and it has specificity, and it is visionary, and it will last multiple years. So enjoy writing yours. It's an incredible session, and I think you're going to unearth some things that you probably didn't know about you and your business. And I really would love you to enjoy it.